ancient gods of Samoa granted Fonua and her husband powers, Fonua's husband was able to transform into a shark. Not far behind him was Fonua, who had taken the form of a turtle.
The show's called LALELI, a little bit about the myth, the turtle and the shark.
The story highlights true love for Fonua and her husband. Their love is forbidden within the village.
Everyone loves a good love story in Samoa, and we're not just brutes, we're great lovers at heart.
Does your wife know that?
I portray the shark in the Shark and Turtle production. He starts off as a servant of Malietoa.
Malietoa is a high chief in Samoa. I didn't think I was capable of being a Malietoa. He was a really strong man, and I was the only poky one on the team, so they chose me to be Malietoa. So there you go. My highlight is meeting the girls, so hot girls.
Malietoa Whainga had everything he ever wanted. Everything but a maiden to share and bask in his glory.
Fonua was supposed to marry the High Chief Malietoa. She wasn't feeling him, you know.
Malietoa Whainga was furious to discover that Fonua had fallen in love with a mere servant.
Chicken, guys, man. I was waiting for the kiss, but that didn't happen.
Part, the salu dance.
Everyone has different parts of the show that they enjoy, especially all the oldies, because it reminds them of back in the days when everyone used to sing and jam together. And when we see them in the audience and they're smiling and engaged, that's what, you know, that's why we do this.
I have a better appreciation because of how they performed and how they portrayed Samoan dance was just awesome.
Like, especially for us islanders here in New Zealand, going back to our roots and stuff. Sau E Siva!
Keep it fresh!
Be responsible for our own voice, because you know so many people are writing statuses saying this and that about Moana, but they're not up there creating work. So we just wanted to walk the talk and do our own myth and legend and be a voice for our people and our stories.
Join us next time on Dr. Phil.